Hey guys, welcome back. So hope you have seen the video title, Learn SAP FICO absolutely free. Guys, I'll tell you, this is the third time I'm going to upload, or I have uploaded the course on Udemy. The first which I uploaded, that was suspended. Second I uploaded, that was also suspended. Right? Third time I'm uploading, I have uploaded already, now it is approved. So I'll let you know the coupon code so that you can enroll free of cost. But guys, I'll tell you, somewhere or the other, even you people are also responsible for this. I have given, in the very first tutorial, I have given enrollment to, I think, several thousand people were there. More than 25,000 or 30,000 people were there who enrolled. Second time also more than 20,000 people were there, right, who got enrollment absolutely free of cost. I was not charging any amount. If it's a different thing that if somebody directly have purchased from Udemy platform, then it's like their mistake, right? But that too also the charges which you guys are paying, that is 400, 500 rupees or is just few dollars, right? So I'll tell you guys, this is the third time once again, because I have received more than 3,000, 4,000 email from the candidates. Once the second time also course suspended, lots of email I have received that the course is unavailable, kindly do something. So again, I have uploaded this course, guys. Again, you can enroll free of cost, but there is a request. There is a request, because I have gone through the Google, multiple people have given multiple like informations, like what is the logic, what is the reason behind the suspension of the courses. See, the major problem is I'm giving free enrollment to multiple people, several thousand people, right? 20,000 people, 25,000 people, they are just clicking on the link and getting enrollment, isn't it? At the same time, let's suppose, so what I know, like there are certain logic behind that. So at least let's suppose if the 20,000 people enrolled, if 25,000 people enrolled, right? So I'm expecting at least 5% of the people, even if 5 or 10% of the people are going to provide their ratings and review, then the course will be there in top rank. Top rank in the sense it will be there on first page, right? And in that case, they are not going to delete. They are not going to suspend the course. But even not even 2%, not even 1% of the people also, they have not given the feedback. They have not given the ratings, right? And once it got suspended, I got more than, I can show my inbox, guys, more than 3,000 email I have received till now, right? So again, now this time I'll tell you guys, saving this course is in your hand. If you provide your ratings, if you provide your feedback, it is there in the rank, in the sense it will be coming on the first page, right? And I'm expecting at least, like, let's suppose even 5-10% people also going to provide the ratings and all, it's going to be on top page again, right? And then it will be saved. So it's in your hand, guys. And I think certain algorithm is there that I don't know, like somebody is saying that whatever enrollment is there, so at least like 2% ratings, 2% people supposed to provide the ratings and all of entire enrollment. Somebody are saying 1%, somebody are saying 3%. So I'm just expecting that whatever entire enrollment is there, even if 5% of the people are also going to provide the ratings, so no matter whether it is 2%, 1%, 3%, 4%, it all are below than 5% itself, right? So this time a request is there from everybody, guys. You just do one thing, you enroll, go for enrollment, enroll this course, and do not forget to provide your ratings. Okay, so that is your responsibility to save this course. Anyway, this is lifelong enrollment. It's not like for 1 year or 2 years or 3 years. Once you enrolled, if the course is saved, if it is not suspended, and of course it is not going to be suspended if you guys are going to provide your ratings and all. So if the course is not suspended, then it will be there lifelong. You guys can enjoy the course and all. And I'll just let you know the coupon code. So guys, if you are going to apply the coupon code, then it's very difficult to find out the course right now, because even I also don't know whether it is on which page number 15 or 20 or 30 or 40 or 50, right? So what I have done, look at here, there is a coupon code is June 21. Okay, you need to click on the link. Where is the link? The link I have given in this video description. Okay, just you do one thing, you need to click on the link Just see the procedure, guys. It's pretty simple. I'll just paste here. You can go for enrollment. How to provide the ratings also I'll show you here. So okay, look at here, enroll now. The coupon code is already applicable because it is there in the link itself, right? You can click on enroll now. Right, you can start the course. So here, once you start the course, guys, it's not like that. Here, look at here, course contents. So let's suppose once the course is going to be started, right? So right now your progress, right? So watch at least 1 or 2 videos and then you provide the ratings. Don't provide immediately and all. You can, like, let's suppose here. So I'll just skip. I'll come. So now here I'll go on the next one. Okay, here you will be having options. If you're not getting these options, then what will happen, guys? Then here, leave a rating. Here also you'll be having options, right? You can, at least you can provide a rating. If you don't want to write any review, it's okay, no issues, but at least you provide the rating, right? And you can, do not forget to save and continue. Okay, save and exit. This is how it is going to be. This is how it is going to be, guys. So this is the procedure, right? I'm requesting all of you follow this procedure to save this course. Thank you.